Hello kids, let's learning table of 5. 5 1 is 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 3s are 15. 5 4s are 20. 5 5s are 25. 5 6s are 30. 5 7s are 35. 5 8s are 40. 5 9s are 45. 5 10s are 50. 5 11s are 55. 5 12s are 60. 5 13s are 65. 5 14s are 70. 5 15s are 75. 5 16s are 80. 5 17s are 85. 5 18s are 90. 5 19s are 95. 5 20s are 100. Let's review kids table of 5. 5 1s are 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 3s are 15. 5 4s are 20. 5 5s are 25. 5 6s are 30. 5 7s are 35. 5 8s are 40. 5 9s are 45. 5 10s are 50. 5 11s are 55. 5 12s are 60. 5 13s are 65. 5 14s are 70. 5 15s are 75. 5 16s are 80. 5 17s are 85. 5 18s are 90. 5 19s are 95. 5 20s are 100. Please subscribe to my channel and like the videos. See you to the next time.